Hello and welcome. At KPI, we believe growth should never be limited by background, location, or experience. That's why we're proud to introduce a new service partnership program, SPP. KPI SPP is a unique business opportunity designed for anyone working in the healthcare field anywhere in India. And here's the best part: prior experience. You don't need ultrasound knowledge. You don't need heavy investment. With KPI SPP, we provide the knowledge, the training, and the technical support you need to succeed in the ultrasound service ecosystem. You partner with KPI. We handle the expertise. Together, we build growth. This program empowers you to expand your professional reach, create new income streams, and grow in one of healthcare's most essential service domains. KPI SPP, a smarter way to grow in healthcare. A partnership built on trust, support, and opportunity. Join KPI SPP today. Let's grow together.